Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick little short about the book Weightless. The book Weightless is amazing. It's by Dr. Rocio Salas-Whalen, and she knows her stuff. That book is for anyone thinking about going on GLP-1s, or in maintenance, or if you know somebody. It is so good from the beginning. The very first chapter talks about the 9 major reasons people get obesity, the disease of obesity. I fill out 8 of those 9. It was like I was set up in the universe to get obesity. So that's the beginning. And then it goes on from there. It takes every little step and goes exactly what it is that we need to know, from plateaus to vitamins to, she's just amazing. And there are going to be 2 things that she repeats over and over. And if you watch any of her videos on YouTube, she's interviewed all the time. If you watch any of her videos, you will see she has 2 major things that she talks about: building muscle and eating protein. And they are a team, eating protein and building muscle. She is so clear about why we have to do it, that everything from our hair falling out to being exhausted, getting sick, all of those things have to do with protein. And the protein builds the muscle, which burns the fat, which makes it so that we're able to lose the weight without losing our health. She says that, she talks about how in our bodies that the inside, I love this part, the inside works far quicker than what you see on the outside. And I love that. That is so true. That all kinds of things, when people are going, oh, I'm not losing weight, or I'm on a plateau, or I'm stalled, things are happening on the inside. And just because we can't see them on the scale doesn't mean that they're not happening. And we need to be sure that the medications are doing what they're supposed to. They're saving our lives. And even people that don't have diabetes, that don't have heart disease, that are just trying to avoid having those things, it's still fixing what's going on inside your body. I just love this book, and I really encourage you to get it. It's just wonderful. I have no Amazon affiliation or anything like that, or any with her. She doesn't. Dr. Salas does not have any idea who I am yet. Anyway, so it's just wonderful. And I've been listening to her in Spanish as well. Si tú hablas español, ella tiene episodios, I don't remember the word, en español también. Y son lindo porque ella es mexicana y su español es muy linda. So anyway, so watch them in Spanish as well. The book is not in Spanish yet. I was looking to see if it was, and I wish it was. But anyway, so if you have any questions or want to talk about the book, just let me know, and I'm here to do it. Love you all. Bye.